As more countries reopen their borders to international travelers, airlines are playing the same old game of overvaluing their business seats. But this time, it's to squash the value of tickets canceled because of COVID. To understand what's happening, look at business fares between Los Angeles and Sydney with One World partners, American and Qantas. In February 2020, prior to COVID-19 being declared a pandemic, business fares to Sydney started at $5,000 plus taxes. Fast forward 24 months. One World's idea of welcome back is boosting business fares by 80% to an eye-popping $9,000 plus taxes. Ouch! But why are they doing this? Juicing fares helps One World minimize the value of tickets purchased but canceled in 2019 and 2020 because of COVID, as travelers attempt to reuse them in 2022. By artificially inflating fares, One World Airlines are inventing add-collect scenarios, often collecting as much or more from anxious flyers in 2022 as they did on the initial ticket purchase. Very deceptive, but very real. Don't worry, what goes up must come down, and better deals to Australia are expected by the second half of 2022. Not all airlines are using trickery to fill their business seats. Singapore Airlines has reinstated its New York-Frankfurt service with the round-trip fares starting at $2,200 round-trip, plus taxes to enjoy the best business class in the sky. Get ready to catch the next big buying event by signing into your account. Search fares, define your itinerary, then select Fare Monitor to capture lower pricing as fare change happens. Don't even think about buying your next ticket without Passport Premier. Hey, and I'll see you up front.